Hey everybody, it's your girl Creta McCullough with Mac Graphics, and this is your Monday Minute. So today, I'm going to talk about something that might strike a nerve on some folks. What you're missing by designing in Canva. Initially, I created a blog post for this one, and you can find it in the description below, but I felt the need to speak about it, so let's talk about Canva. So Canva is a web-based design tool that claims to make graphic design easier and allow those without graphic design experience to easily create designs, including a logo. Yes, a logo. But I'm going to talk about logos on a different day because that's a whole other Monday Minute. So the CEO of Canva says that the idea behind it is to make graphic design accessible to everyone. But Canva makes you a graphic designer the same way a microwave makes you a chef. Of course, you can make a decent meal in a few minutes, but it's going to be bland, it's not going to have no flavor and no seasoning. Everything in Canva looks like it was designed in Canva. I can go through my social media timelines right now and can immediately tell whose designs were created in Canva because it's cookie cutter. So here's what I see. Everybody has picked the same templates with the same fonts because Canva has limited templates. And there's a limit to the free design templates as well as the stock photos you can use. Then even some of the paid templates and graphics look a little cheesy and generic. So let me ask you this. Have you ever seen something that was designed in Canva that made you go, wow, that's dope? I doubt it. The content is passable and mediocre at best. Yep, I said it. Then Canva still requires you to have knowledge of basic graphic design principles to make whatever you're designing look good. Just because you have an eye for design doesn't mean you know the basic graphic design principles. That's what you learn when you go to school for graphic design. Now, I don't want to be too hard on Canva because I've created some design for you quotes for anyone who needs quotes for their Monday motivation or Wednesday wisdom social media post. But Canva isn't professional graphic design software. It's not for professional graphic design, and it's definitely not for logo design. Using Canva templates cheapens your brand. Yep, it's quick and easy, but it's only slightly better than Microsoft Publisher. I mean, do you really think your Canva flyers and social media posts are unique? Canva has more than 10 million users. Those folks have seen all the templates that Canva has to offer, and I guarantee they can spot your Canva content. They know when you use it, and while folks who don't use Canva might not know, they know they've seen posts that look like yours before, so there goes your unique brand identity. You're not fooling anybody. Folks won't notice your content because they've been bombarded with so much other similar content, they just scroll past yours, and that's the problem. Instead of using Canva or Word or PowerPoint or Publisher as your go-to design tools, take the time to sit down with a graphic designer to discuss your flyer design, your print design, and especially your brand identity. You should invest in a professional graphic designer to create your unique materials. Hiring a graphic designer is a way better solution for your business and your brand, and it works a whole lot better than trying to use Canva. So, if you're looking for your unique, professional, on-brand content, contact Mac Graphics today at www.macgraphics.biz. Make sure you're following us on all social media platforms. The links are in the description below. And don't forget to click that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.